Hi guys, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinar. So today, as you can see, it's all about it's a holiday chat clinic and open Q&A. So basically, I'm gonna do the live trading. Okay, so if you have any specific instrument you want me to look for you, just send me the request. Okay. Okay. I was looking at the XAUSD just now. Let me let me adjust my webcam. Okay, hang on first. Why mine is look so bad? Like this morning, okay, Go has fly high, right? Go has fly high. I don't know why. Anybody know? You can tell me. Let me adjust the webcam. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome. Hi Andrews, CK, Sherry. How are you guys doing? Anybody is already on holiday mood? Okay, I think that would be perfect. Mm, actually, I wanted to sell gold, but maybe on the camera. Okay, hi guys, hi everyone. So before I start the webinar, shall we just start off with the disclaimer first. All right, they will say that the information in this webinar should not be considered as an investment advice or an investment recommendation, but instead educational material only. And with warning, our products are traded on margins and carry a high level of risk, and it is possible to lose all your capital. This product may not be suitable for everyone, and you should ensure that you understand the risk involved. Okay? And about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. So you can ask me anything about trading, okay, today, because today is also about free and easy. Okay, so we're going to do live analysis today, and any like trade setup or any kind of common mistake that you guys been doing, or you can share with me. Okay. And you can ask me anything. Okay, so shall we just head over to the chat? Basically, there's no news. Okay, guy, it is a quick one. So basically, this is my sell entry. If you want to follow my signal here right now, this is my sell entry. Don't overtrade. Just try with small lot size. Okay, because today price has really go all the way to 44.20. I would say that right now this is my ATH, right? All-time high. Do you have a ATH here? No. I'm gonna change the color because now it's at the zone. I have the stop loss at 21. Okay, guys. I'm gonna aim for 4,400 somewhere around here. Maybe here for TP1. So you want to sell these the zones, okay? Don't overtrade. Don't trust me 100%. And just set your stop loss, okay? It's a ATH. I'm gonna change the color. Color of the gonna go to the step, go to the center, the middle, and go to the 14. It's quite risky, okay, guys, because now I just trade with the pullback. Okay, that's why this is the ATH right now, and I put my stop loss 21. I know the stop loss about 100 pip. Okay, so if you can take risk, you just go ahead to like short go. right now, and the reason I short because one is because at the extension. I know that we trade against the trends, okay, but right now, since we are in the London section, right? I see that not much volume, okay. Maybe the London they don't do anything or they stop trading already. But what has happened? What happening in the Asia is that, right? Market open. When was that? It's like somewhere around here. No, somewhere around this yeah, around this price, and then it's went up. Let's just say 700 pip or 650 pip. Okay, so this is the London right now. Do you think that's, you see, because this is a too high one, I think nobody want to buy here because too expensive. A lot of people they are waiting to buy at the pullback. That's why you say somebody might take a risk by selling off one at the 4420 psychological number. Here I did not sell because I was doing another webinars. Okay. And this one there might be someone who buy at the overlap M15. I'll just sell here based on the M5. But the thing is, M5, right, price still make a lower high, okay? But if they want to like changing the momentum or shifting from the bullish to bearish, they need to close below. I mean, the body have to close below 4,400. Meaning that if I want to sell now, I expected that price to come here. But if not, it's gonna hit my stop loss. So you need to prepare to hit the stop loss, not to take profit. Okay. It's high risk. You want to sell, but this is my sell zone. Okay. So you can just go for 0.01 or you can just use the demo account and test the strategy first. Okay. Because this at the zones. And another reason is that in H4, okay, it was at the my extension. One, two, you see that? It seems like they're going to close below, right? But right now, in H1, this two is selling off. But if H1, this another H1, and then like the next hour, if H1 can closing with bearish and gap, with bearish and gapping candle, I think the next you can hold your sell entry. But right now it's high risk. I sell. Okay, and then take profit. I'm gonna aim for at least at 42 or at this level. Hang on, I know someone sent me the question. Like around this level, there will be someone who might want to buy at the M15 OB, which is, let's just say 43 to 4,004. High risk, okay, guys? Just prepare to the stop loss. Just set the stop loss if you want to sell. Somebody sent me where is my okay. Oh, hey, good day to you, Jimmy Rose. Nice to see you here. Okay, so if you guys sell, just put your hands up. Let me know because today is all about open session. You guys can request or you have any question about trading, guys, because today is gonna be the last webinar for the 2025. Is this last webinar? Is this Monday we have one more? No, right? There's no webinar on 29. Yeah. So today is gonna be the last one. Anyone is want to sell with me? Nobody want to ask me anything, guys. Or you guys can request any instruments you want me to look for you. Please let me know. I think the London session like nobody want to sell at all. Or anybody who buy where? I'm gonna go on a D1, right? You look at daily time frame. You look at today opening price. You look at this like opening price. These are the closing, almost opening and closing almost at the same. This was closing price at 43.55 and today opening price at the 43.55 as well. And you see that since the morning, can I just look at the candle today, right? It estimate 650 pip. 650 pip, just I think for the Asia section only, just rising so crazily. So expensive. Can you check GBP/USD? Sure. And then I'm gonna check for you. GBP/USD. Okay. I can tell you it's ranging in the H4. And now they have created the OB, so you need to wait for D1 to close. But based on the daily time frame, I will tell you that based on the structures, it's not really nice. But this is the level I can find. One, this is support level, and the reason they will buy here because of the OB here, right? You see that price is falling here and bounce off. Okay, see this, and I'll say that they are in the triangle. Don't trade the GU unless you have the position open. Then you can let me know where is your entry. But based on the structure H4, I don't think that is a nice structure to trade. So basically, not recommended you guys to trade the GBUSD. There's no entry. If you want to hold buy, you can hold, but you want to sell, there's no entry for me unless you want to wait for the next resistance level or wait for price to break. Or we can go to the, you see the M15. Want to sell based on this? No, I don't not recommend that. Market structure is not really nice. For the GBUSD, for the past few weeks, I did not trade because I look at H4 time frame. This is not very nice, but the thing is, price is still make the higher high, higher low. So just let it go. One, it could be here, or if you want to do up to here, cannot the channel, or you can use the maybe something like that, but not recommended. Okay. Let's just do a quick look on the DXY. Okay. Right now, you can see that the DXY is falling. It's gonna break my first support. They come from the resistance level. That might be the reason EU is rising at the resistance testing, and the GU also maybe heading to that next resistance level if we talking about the correlation. Okay, but right now, gold is not moving because I think today it's removed a lot, and then since the London open, the market is not really moved. Seriously, it's not moving at all. You see that? They're falling only like 100 pip, and then nobody want to buy here. Unless I think they are might waiting for the New York. Again, the New York one this, if this gonna be the ATH at 44.20. If this gonna be, and then the daily time frame, they might, okay, make the divergence here. Oh, one is make a divergence here. This is overbought as well, or just a breakout. We don't know because the daily time frame haven't closed. This used to be the ATH all-time high thought here, right? It was somewhere here. And right now the daily time frame have not closed yet. So you need to wait for the New York, right? And this was the being a big sideways in daily time frame, right? Oh, so GBUSD, I don't trade, okay? Because the setup is not very nice. This one. Is it gonna break out or not, or gonna really break out, then we need to wait for today candle to close. But right now it's not closed at all. So we wait first. Okay. So right now, if you grew or you don't trade, you don't sell, okay? Because no market is not moving at all. I have set my stop loss here. If hit my stop loss trade, I don't trade because I'm gonna see how is the New York market react. Okay. But if we sell here and then price can fall into this zone, that's gonna be really beautiful. That would be how many pips? If you were to say at 1.3 or 1.2, at least 100 pip, about 100 pip. Okay, 100 pip or 130 pip. And then my stop loss also is about same 70 pip or 80 pip. Okay, so you think you can take risk, you just go ahead. You cannot, then don't. Because sell, if you to ask me, you want to sell here or you want to buy here, I prefer to buy. I prefer to sell. I know where is my stop loss. Here, my stop loss just right here. But if you buy here, but what if price already falling? Okay. Or you can buy here where you set stop loss. You can set stop loss at before 40,400 if you want to buy. I mean, if you want to buy at these zones. Okay, but I think I'm gonna look to buy somewhere around this zone in 15. Okay, someone might already buy here. You see that at the OB, and then they are buy at 44.10. No volume for gold. Okay, just set stop loss. Okay, guys. I always say just set stop loss. Anybody want to look for any pair or want to ask me anything? No one. No one. BTC. Okay, BTC. That the zones. That the zones. Okay. BTC, this was the zone for me to sell. First resistance here. Mm. Did you buy at this support level in H4? Did you buy at this like very nice overlap support to this level? I'm gonna go to daily time frame. Okay. If you did not sell, you don't sell. You should wait to sell at this I think second resistance. I think that's gonna be the safe one. At this level. 90 to 93, somewhere around that level. You see that 85, somebody buy at 85K, which is, I think, yeah, 85. This is a support level. And I think there's a divergence as well. Right, you see that? There's a bullish divergence here. Okay. So right now, you miss 85. 85, you see H4 and they also pull back again at 85. Okay, maybe I go to H1. If you miss, never mind. We still can wait for the next setup. And after that, I think this is during the weekend, it's just ranging. So right now, this is not a good entry already. So if you want to sell, I think it's about these zones, 90 or 91. You may consider to short BTC. See, I look for the money time frame, right? Okay. The money time frame, I still look for the sell entry anyway. Okay, this is just say that this is a support level for the monthly time frame, right? Last month closing strong bearish. This is a monthly resistance, right? And if you want to sell, when we could say that might be the FBG, but because this month is still haven't closed yet, then we go to the weekly. Okay, for the weekly, this is gonna be the resistance right now. Okay, and the support level is gonna be here. So we might pull back, wait for the pullback, and then we sell. At 92, right? Just now I said you wait at 91, 92, 93. Okay. And after that, this is gonna be the second resistance for the weekly. And then we go to H daily time frame. So basically D1 is the ranging. They are being sideways right now. So you need to either wait for price to break. Okay. So right now they are being ranging. Okay. Meaning I think you can sell for the D1 time frame at these zones. 93, 92. By the way, guys, if you don't did not sell gold, if you did not, then don't trade, okay? Because I think that is sideways. Some of you guys may don't like it. Like I myself also don't like it because it's not move anywhere right now. Okay. So if you short already, you just hold and set stop loss. Okay, you want to sell for the BTC, this is the zone 92 and 93. It's the OB for the daily time frame, but right now it look like this, and I'm gonna put this first support. Second support is below this one. Okay. And I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put this one still at the first resistance. If you want to sell, okay, high risk, but I'm gonna put here, and then second resistance for H4, I'm gonna put here. Meaning if you want to sell, this is the London, like nobody do anything. Meaning you might wait exact at like 90K and then you can sell. Yeah. Yeah. Or you can then maybe you don't trade BTC at the moment. Right? Okay, guys. How long we have been? Why today I just feel like the timing is okay. I start it's 30, 5:30. Okay, it's in 6:30. Okay. No. What time? Yeah, okay, correct. I blur already. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna since you don't ask me, I'm go back to gold again. It's really being sideways, but still within our sell zones. Stop loss. You can, if you want to layer, it's up to you, okay, guys, because it's still the zone here or up to the raise box. Actually, it's up until here. Okay, so it's still within the zones. Tight stop loss, guys, please. Tight stop loss. Okay, just put very tight stop loss. I have my sell. I have my sell, small sell. Okay, I have my small sell, and I still hold my sell. Yeah, that's still within the zones. The I mean, gold is not moving anyway. So let me see. EURUSD, okay, sure, go EURUSD. USD already falling from the resistance level. This is the resistance level. This is the resistance level I was identify like today. EU, yeah, that's the resistance in H4. But you draw in H1, you might get the entry here at the London Open, okay. But in H4, it's gonna be something like this. Basically, the EURUSD on the daily time frame, you're gonna look for the sell entry because I think they can falling, they can break here, or they can go to this second support, which is here for the D1 time frame. Okay, so now they are just testing the first resistance. Let's say if you want to sell, can we sell? One price at the resistance, we see there is the like price action, right? So price has already falling from the high to the low, was at only 10 pip. 10 pip. You see, right? It's very hard for like for me. This is the OB for daily time frame. Whenever is the candle is like it, especially the year end one, you shouldn't trade already. I mean, the market is very nice. If I really want to hold, this is the support level. Okay, this is support level. And you also can see that the support level here, price is still making really strong uptrend based on this like entire move lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low to be continued. Okay, because they haven't break, they haven't break. This is the low. They haven't break this low and then continue. They haven't yet. If you buy at the support level, you can hold. Okay. And based on a DXY, this that is a falling, maybe testing or might falling all the way to the support level. Second, and EU gonna be rising, go as well. Then I would say, okay, this is the second support. Then you can decide whether you want to buy, you want to sell, or what you're gonna do. But this is gonna be the key level. Okay. This is gonna be a key level. Mm. Now you're just testing this. You can put this one at intermediate resistance level, meaning that if you want to sell at these zones, if you're confident you can sell, then you ask yourself where is the stop loss. Okay, then you say where is the stop loss. But right now, dollar that's why it's testing the support level. Okay, based on H4 time frame, if we're going to look at market structure, I would say that based on this entire move here, they might want to bounce. But then the in the bigger picture, like they still make the lower low, lower high, lower low. Now they make it equal high here. They make the higher high this level. This level. Okay. But we cannot really like trust this why nowadays when talking about the correlation because sometimes dollar is falling, gold also falling, they have positive correlation, which is last time they are negative correlation with gold, right? Again, EU, whenever I see the structure of candle like that, usually year end you shouldn't trade. Okay. It's up to you because it is already almost holiday. Gold is already falling. If you short sin 14, it's already at 11, 30 pip in the pocket. Okay, you can decide. Okay, whether you want to close or you want to pull. Okay, you look at this intermediate resistance. Like whenever I see the structure or market like that, right? And then you see there's still not break of structure, break of structures. And then you see that, okay, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm going to look for another pair to trade and go back to gold. You see, just now price falling. If some of you guys already have profit, just close it. Our sell is 41 to 47. This is another setup. I think, yeah, similar entry. It's now price falling below the entry is already right at 11. You should already in positive. You should just either close, you decide. Okay, M15. M15. This is no volume at all. M30 and H1. This one H1 close already. Oh, okay. Let's just see. Okay, we will just look. This is our entry. I was okay. This one I was doing that if you were to sell somewhere around here, that you sell entry, right? I want to see that the candle close below 4,400, and then I'll consider to wait the pullback and then sell. So right now, if you're gonna look for the momentum in the M5, they haven't break. They haven't changed the momentum yet. They haven't break below this and then they pull back. Then we can sell. They haven't yet. Okay, so that's why I say if you're gonna sell here, I bet on sell here with a bearish OB in the lower time frame. Okay, and then here could be my TP1. Just now it's almost hit. My TP1 at 0.5, but I sell in here, right? Now it's at 0.6. Just now was sell what here, what price trigger at these zones. At this one, okay. This or the entry is here. It falling almost 80 pips from this entry, okay. So right now, I give you guys, if you pull back, these your sell zones. 30 pip, you close lah. Any pair, guys, besides this? Just now, price falling, anybody close? Anybody close? At closing at 40, no. Closing at 4411, anybody? 4411, anybody close at 4411? Maybe somebody waiting to buy at like 4410. Somebody said, send me the question. What's that? Hang on, I look. Where's my USD? Okay, sure. You see? It's falling. It's falling from the resistance level. Exact, right? You see that? Resistance level. And then have the OB pull back, you sell. So basically, you cat is ranging. I would just say that it's being sideways here. But now it's falling that support level. This is my key level. Okay. In H4, second resistance, I might move. But by first resistance the same. And then you see that. And second support. Where should I pick second support? I'm gonna pick here. Second support. Meaning if they break, I think they're gonna be the extension. About 127, somewhere around there. Okay. Okay, go. If you hit close already, don't trade go. I think we should just wait. US tax. Is it US 500? Is it this one? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yes or no? You're at 100. Okay, let me. Which one should I pick? Oh, you're at 100 is with Nasdaq, is it? Uh, is it Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq 100. Which broker should I pick? I pick one. Okay, I go to D1. One they are selling is here. The OB. By right, Nasdaq is still being very strong uptrend. But last week, the week before, closing like 8 December, closing below. Okay, this still strong. 26K. I think that's gonna be very strong key level. And the D1, they also has the another supply zone here. We go to H4. Okay. Why it not nice? Why the market look like that? Okay, in H4, this is the support level. You only can use based on this are high, right? They already break. They already break. So this gonna be the next resistance that I'm gonna use the extension 161.8. Okay. You see that break pull back, the rising. Meaning I'm gonna aim this for first resistance. And then I have the extension 161 to support my level. And um can I use the no. Two hundred and 61.8, that's gonna be somewhere here. So I think the zone would be around this zone for the first resistance. Okay, the first resistance would be I'm gonna pick that. Let's use the retracement as well. 78/6. Okay, just get whatever the closest to each other about that zones. Around that zones. $78.6. Okay, so 26 points, oh no, 26.63 around that zone. If you want to sell, you wait for price to go in the zone and then you sell. Okay, you wait for price to go in the zone and then you sell. I'm gonna go to M15, right? You wait for the price to go in the zones. Mm. Yeah, you wait to sell at this level. You need to wait for confirmation, okay? In the lower time frame, those like price action, rejection, then you may sell. All right, you guys, any more? Any more question? Hmm? This one. Oh, hi Dan. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you too. Thank you. I hope like 2025 has been good to you. Mine was not good nor bad, 2025. I hope 2026 is better. But so far, I think 2025, I have learned a lot, especially in Q2 onward. And the one thing is that I shift from working part-time to working full-time to part-time, so I have more time to myself. Yeah. Any more, guys? Where is go right now? Mm, yeah, never go anywhere. Our SAU USC never go anywhere. So just now, if you're happy, right? When like that, you just close or you just set stop loss and take profit. Okay, and then wait for the next session. Okay, I put here ATH at 4,420 for the all-time high right now. As of now, and then we're gonna see later. But the setup only sell here, or you can wait to buy at 4,400, somewhere around here, which is it's a M15 OP. Any more, guys? How do you use the how do you use the Q zone? Q zones. You mean the entry? Either I wait for the market structure shift, or I use like the OB or the block for my entry, or I use Fibonacci. It depend on the market structures. Like for example, here why I do to sell. I told you at the beginning that this is gonna be really high risk for the sell entry. I put my stop loss here already. Okay, I'm gonna just put here because price might go another all-time high. I don't know where. Second one, price has psychological number, right, which is like 20. So based on M5, like price has falling, and now they cannot close below. So I just enter. If you were to enter here, would just add the supply zone in the lower time frame. Should be here. Okay, it's here around 1.5 or 1.4, but right now, price will just never go anywhere. This is the reason I short and I still hold. So if you just now price falling to 4,410, if you were to enter sin like 14, you should 14 like 13, you already profit, you should just close. I ask you guys to close, okay? Don't hold. Because high chance it might hit stop loss. I can just take risk because my setup is very like my lot size very small. Okay, you see that in we are in the London session, nothing moved. This is the London high, and then you see there's no volume. So right now, what I want to see, if I want to like keep, I want to see something like that, meaning that I want to see that the body of the candle can close below 4,400, and then we can look for the sell entry. But right now they just move this level, and this one was the OB that I sell here. The first sale price is falling, almost hit my take profit TP1 by all the way down to 46, and then it's bounced out to the OB again. Just like you sell here, of course, that's why I say the high risk. Okay, but if you enter sell, then you just set your stop loss. Okay, I also prepare for the stop loss, right? Don't always think that price gonna really come to this, because I think it might come, but I don't know when. That's why there's a lot of people who are waiting to buy at 4,400, because this zone is the OB in the M15. Now they also have another OB here, another OB here. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna buy here, you're gonna buy here. I'm not gonna buy when price is at near to the all-time high. Okay. I'm not confident to buy here, but I want to sell here at least. At least if I sell here, I know it's my stop loss. Unless you want to buy here, then where you put the stop loss, you want to put stop loss here, or you want to put the stop loss below 4,400. And then if you hit the stop loss, then you change from the buy to the sell entry. Also, it's up to you, depend on the strategy. But to me, if I want to sell here, I know that I'm gonna put my stop loss slightly above my ATH all-time high. And then I aim here for my take profit at 4,400 or 4,403. But if you were to sell, right? If you think that you see there is no volume, I don't know what happening with Asia section. Boom. You see? Market open, roughly somewhere around that. Yeah, 850. 850 pip, almost 1,000 pip. That's Asia's moving. So yeah, they see that London there's nothing. I think they already take on holiday. Also, listen to your colleague Cassandra, learn a lot from YouTube in this year. You're welcome. Yeah, because I think I just started to take over the IronFX, I think August onward. Yeah, I think me and then Chris no, it's me. I think it's me since the August onward. Yeah, I'm the one who do the INFX webinar. I think last time will be my colleague. Yeah, I did not do the INFX. Just August onward, I'm moving from the part-time, full-time to part-time. Yes, morning Asia section is it was so crazy. You look, right? Here. This 9, this is my time zone, okay? I think open is 7 o'clock somewhere here. 7 plus, somewhere around this level. At 43, 45, somewhere around this zone, my black. Yeah. It's, of course, if someone who buy, they're gonna be okay, that's gonna be my year-end trade. It's, let's just say 800 pip. 800 pip, you buy $1, it's already 8,000. Right. But I did not buy. I did not buy. Now I sell. Then now I sell. They are not moving. Of course, I sell here already. Closed. Now I'm selling again. But then price is not moving. Maybe I just close. Okay. Just call end of the day, or wait until the New York. But I was thinking that if since the London, the Asia buy already, right? And then maybe the New York might just sell all the way and make a profit, because if we're gonna and then look for the daily time frame, right? Maybe like you sell and then you keep buying, buy. Might it's time for them to make a profit. Either this one is gonna be like A, B, C, or this gonna do the divergence here, or maybe go a bit higher. I also have no idea unless today candle close, and then I can decide whether this one is gonna be the fall breakout or not. If the body really close above the ATH at 44, no, at this 43.80. If the body really close above 43.80, which is today, you see just today, boom, right? If close, okay, then I consider that is a really breakout. And then they might make a divergence again. If the one if make a divergence, then it might being the reverse. But right now, I can't say anything. I switch to buy after price broke 43.85. Yeah, this one, right? Good for you, but I did not buy. I do other things. Well, meaning if you buy, wait, you buy at broke here, boom. Let's just say 4,400 pip. 400 pip, that's good enough already, right? So right now, that's why you see the pullback. I think at 4,400 is another entry for us to consider to buy. Yeah, now it's ranging. It's not go anywhere now. Want to give like anybody sell it just but if of course if you buy sin work like at 43.85 you can hold. Okay, but right now just a pullback, just now it pull back 100 and the 130 pip. That's it. Okay, so is it ranging? I'm show you in M1. Look at M1 time zone. I'm gonna move there. You're gonna right. You look at the M1. You look at M1. You look at M5. Okay. If I just like that, that's now what the overlap support level here, right? For the M5, that's why price is bounce. This was the high, and this was the low. Although M15, can we say that M15 is right? I think it's a zone that if we want to sell to buy, that's the one. Let me go to the M30. H1, H4. Okay, if H4, the body can close below 15, where is my 115? Psychological, no 115, where is it? I want to mark 115. Okay, this still, right? This is my extension price close below. Let's just say, this means still good. 410. And maybe a lot of people who might want to buy at a 4410. 4410. Okay, price is falling already. I want to see if it can close below. That's good. Come. A lot of people are waiting at 4,400. You just come. Come on. Come at 4,403. That also good enough. Okay, just come to around that zone of 4,7. Any price. Accept it. If you sell just now, yeah, at 1.5, now it's falling in 1.2. Okay, you just close. If you're happy with the profit, just close because it's ranging right now. I want to buy at this level. I mean, if I see the confirmation, meaning if price like the boom, I mean, if that slowly come, I might want to buy, but it's just one candle like keep falling like so, like sell. I'm not gonna buy at 4,400 because they might want to go back to 4385. Okay. Anyone sell? Put your hands up. That's not you. Anybody sell gold? No, or nobody short gold at all. None of you sell gold except me. Okay, somebody say. Jamilu say no. Still in previous sale. Where? Where is your sell entry? You tell me where is your entry? 40, 43? Here? Is it here? Um, where is your entry? 4412. Okay, 4412. Okay. No, if don't worry, you still with me. I haven't closed. Well, it's just moving. Okay, just now, if do you enter at 16? If you enter at 16 here, price is falling at 12. Either you want to close the lower one and then you can hold the upper one. So it's up to you. Or you will just close out. By right, I'm already positive. Yeah. Yeah, price is already falling. Just now you did not close at 11. But my lot size is very small, so I can hold, guys. Now I already positive. One thing, right? Now if price falling, I decide, okay, I don't want to hold anymore. Then I just close out. And after that, the next moment, after I close, price just falling here. It's so many times. It's so many times. And then also it's so many times that I say that okay, price falling, I did not close. I think it's gonna fall here. But after that, it just want to hit my stop loss. Also so many times. That's why it's like we need to manage, I heal ourselves. It's so many times as well. Whenever I say that, whenever I like, try not to be giddy, I close. Right after I close, price falling and hit my take profit. But sometimes I kind of confident. I say, okay, I think based on emotion as well, I think the price gonna fall. Okay, but then it reverts and hit my stop loss. After hit my stop loss, it reverts and hit my take profit. It's so many times as well. Okay. I think it's might falling one more time. I might want to close. I'm gonna aim for from like 100 pip. 100 pip that would be okay. Okay, 100 pip would be as my TP1 as 4406. Or maybe yeah, which is here. Come. Do you think it's gonna hit the take profit? Okay, I'm gonna go to the M15. I want to see. Now, right one M15, there's a OB here, there's a OB here. From here, there may be somebody want to buy at this level. We go to H1. Okay, H1, you are doing good. You come here. Okay, closing with price action. The red, we still have. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go for the broker and see what's happening. Look at the candle. Okay. Where am I set up? This is here. H1. Okay, H1 is doing good. Okay, guys, if you enter at 12, it's already positive. Okay, price already go below 12. Come on, guys. I'm waiting. This is the moment. This is the moment. Just give me a TP. I just want to close out. I don't want to trade already. This is already my coffee for tomorrow. This is for raging. Come on. Okay, I already closed. Okay, I already closed, guy. I don't want to trade already. Okay, price falling, you hold. Okay, but I just tell you that I already closed because I enter at like 4-6 as well. Okay, I just close. I'm gonna enter again until if I see H1 or H4 close below. Okay, This doesn't matter if you hold, if you like, you sell here and then price falling to the take profit, that is okay. At least it don't hit a stop loss, and now it really falling. You see? Easily go below 4,010. Oh my goodness. And I told you, they are waiting for me to close. Then they can fall. Right, guys? You see? 403. I already, I already tell you. I told you. But it's okay. I also trade future. My future is doing good. I still hold my future entry. But my forex closed. You see that? The moment I tell you I close, easily falling. Oh my goodness. And falling another 40 pip. And now so crazy. You're gonna hit my take profit. My hat pin. TP. Oh my god, happy for you. It really take profit. The TP. My god. Wait, I close my I close at 11. And now it's go all the way to another 47. About 40 pip. I told you. This is the moment. Oh my God. Okay, it's okay. 47, 48, 9, 10, 11, 40 pip. I close. It's okay. Never mind. But I still hold my gold future. Okay, I also trade my gold future. My gold future is doing good as well. I haven't closed. It's doing good. Just now I closed with the forex. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit TP1 at 405. Meaning H1 is doing good. You see that? Oh my God. If H1 closing with if okay, before I end, okay, if H1 closing with barrier and gap, this one is gonna be my sell entry. Meaning from here to here. Okay, this is gonna be supply zone. Meaning that if closing to here, pull back, okay. I tell you my plan first, okay. If closing here, pull back here, somewhere around here, I don't know, I'm gonna sell next hour. Okay, so wait for H1 to close. Closing with bearish, pull back, you sell. If haven't closed, I don't know, need to wait. Okay, that should be all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, that we trade together. Happy with guys whoever short go together with me. All right, I'm gonna see you again next year. Gonna be next year. Okay, next Monday we don't have webinar. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys on um January 5th. January 5th. Okay, Happy New Year, guys. All the best. Good luck, everyone. Okay, bye for now, guys. Take care. Bye bye. And good luck. You're welcome. Bye.